Okay guys, hey, and I got some Berries, and since today's Rocky's 3rd anniversary with us here, and since that, in recognition of that, I got him this, and of course he's not going to eat all this. This is going to be for both of them, but today he'll be the only one to get to try it, so Rowan's going to have to wait. Okay, so now I'm going to go show them the Rocky. Let's see how he takes it. Hi, Rocky. Happy anniversary. Now, see, as you can see, I already pointed it at him, and he's afraid of it. So, this might be another show your bird how to eat these things, or I might just leave it in there. For those of you who are viewers of all my videos and know my channel and my videos, I have to let you know that Rocky does not like his new food dish. So, I have a surprise that should be coming up soon. I hope it comes up. Depends how long it takes, but we should have a surprise this year for Rocky that I will unveil on YouTube soon. So, Rocky. This is yummy. It's birdseed. Oh, that's a good boy. Good boy. Now he's coming for it. Yummy. This is so yummy. Yummy in my tummy, Rocky. You know what? Maybe that handbook had some valuable information that I need to look at. So I'll be right back, guys. Okay, so that actual thing did have some valuable information. Rocky. Alright, so it did have some valuable information. It said you can crumble it up. You can crumble it up if your bird doesn't want it immediately. And then it might start to accept it, as it is a bit big. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show him one more time. I don't want him to be scared on his anniversary. That's kind of sad. Rocky. And now he comes. This is so good. I really should record myself doing this, because this doesn't make any sense with the voice. I have to keep doing this every time I show him something new. Come on, Rocky. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in his food bowl, and I'll show you guys a video of him eating, because he'll peck out it in his food bowl. So, oh God. Yay, we're inside of Rocky's food bowl where he just pooped. How great is that? Put it to the right, to the other side. And I'm going to clean that poop out, and yeah, so I will see you guys in a second, and thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will show another part of this video will show Rocky eating it. Okay. Thanks for watching. So Rocky's getting a little less afraid. He did actually just take it from me. So hope he hurries up, because I got things to do. But yeah, alright. Good boy, Rocky. Happy anniversary. So what I'm going to do is just mix this with his food. I did have to crumble it up because he was a little afraid of the big ball in his face. So, I am going to have to crumble it up. And hopefully one day he gets used to it and doesn't need me to crumble it up. However, now I'm just going to mix it with his morning food. And that's it. So, thanks for watching. And I'll talk to you guys later. Happy anniversary, Rocky. We all love you. Rocky's doing his favorite thing, guys. Eating his paper. Now, this is, of course, later in the day, and I let Rocky out, of course, and he's just biting the paper. He enjoys biting paper. One day I looked back, and as you can see, the whole paper was ripped down. And hey, Rocky! How you doing? Happy anniversary, big boy. Come on, show your face. I think people would like to see your face. Come on. Come on. He didn't even fly around. He's so into the paper. Rocky loves paper. Oh man, this is crazy. He loves paper. And he just loves to come to my desk and just sits with me. And not only does he talk, not only does he like sing to me and do all this stuff, but he'll come to my desk and he'll get on my desk. He'll try to bite up all my important papers, which is not fun at all. So, Rocky, come on, say hi. Hi, Rocky Birdie. Say, hey, Rocky Birdie. Oh, what a good bird. What a good bird. Oh, you crazy birdie. And he goes over here. Oh, when he flies around, I will show you guys again. So, yeah, I'll be right back when he flies around. If he doesn't, thanks for watching, and comment, rate, and subscribe. If he does, then you will get ready to see some great footage of Rocky flying and enjoying himself in different areas of the room. Okay, guys, so I think Rocky might come on the TV. So, yeah. So this is his, I guess, whatever. But, I'm gonna stop talking now and just let Rocky do what he wants to do. Hey, Rocky! So he did move down here. No, don't go on that side, Rocky. Everyone wants to see you. Okay, well, you can come. I guess this is a better picture anyway. Oh, what a nice picture, Rocky. And by the way, I did take a picture, guys, so I can't do that with my camera. Oh, what a good boy. That's a nice headshot, Rocky. You're a model now? You're modeling, Rocky? Uh-oh. Bring it down. Oh, bring it down. Oh. Uh-oh, Rocky bringing it down. Rocky's bringing it down. Alright, guys, so this is the end of Rocky's anniversary video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And happy anniversary, Rocky. Again, guys, thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe.
Whoa, 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 whoa. There's a place I know where love can grow always, always. And I pray we'll stand hand in hand again someday.